In this video, we are going to learn how we can create an AI agent for sports store so that we can automate all our WhatsApp conversation. And for this, I've created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I have opened my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message like, which cricket bat is best for beginners? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. Let's check whether it sends me any message related to the query or the question I have sent, and here it is. I have received the message. For beginners, I recommend the SS Master Kashmir Willow bat. It's lightweight, durable and perfect for tennis ball practice, priced at this much. Would you like to see images or check availability? So I'm going to write yes, sure. And then I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. Here is the SS Master Kashmir Willow bat. If I click on this link, I will be redirected towards this page. So I have added a dummy link and that's why it has sent me this particular link. If you attach a real link, that link will be sent to your customers. And the price is this, description is this, and it's asking me, would you like to know more about this bat? I'm going to drop another question and let's check whether I received the reply for this particular question or not. Do you have studs for turf ground? And here it says, yes, we have a Nivea Dominator turf studs available for $14.99. They are specifically designed for turf surfaces. So as I'm asking these questions and the queries, it is replying to me instantly related to the same query. So this is how my AI agent is working. And now if you also want to learn how I can create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to learn how we can create an AI agent to automate our WhatsApp queries for our sports store. And for this, I'm going to create this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. We can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add a WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, the video of this is available in the description. You can check that out. On the left-hand side, we can see all these features: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. We have created dedicated and detailed video on all of these features, the link to which is available in the description. You can check that out. Now, to create this AI agent, we have to click on this AI assistant option on the left hand side. We are going to open this. Here I have landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and the inactive AI assistant. We can see this active AI assistant, which is active on some chat. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant, and then you have to name this AI assistant. I'm going to name this as AI for Sports Store, and then I'm simply going to click on this add AI assistant. Here I've landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this AI assistant. The first one we have is AI instruction, and under this instruction we have to select the instruction type. I'm going to select it as AI agent. As I select this AI agent, the instructions are automatically added. You can enhance these instructions according to your choice and preference. Next we have this AI configuration. So here the first one is temperature. It is written, set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if we go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how the AI is answering will enhance. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI, the model will be GPT-4o mini, and then over here I have already entered the API key. Now to get this API key, we are going to click on the hyperlink given over here and it will take me towards the API keys page. To create a new API token, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key name is test, the project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Here I have already created this API key. For that, I'm going to click on this connect and you will see OpenAI key saved successfully. Please make sure after adding this API key, you click on this connect. Otherwise, this connection will not be successful or created. Then we have this AI assistant settings. If you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, provide the message and it will start displaying. I'm going to toggle this off. Now we have the stop keywords. So if the customer wants to stop the replies from the AI, what you can do, you can provide a stop keyword to them. So here I am writing stop and press enter, and in this manner I have provided the keyword which when the customer will enter, the AI will stop replying to them. Enter the keyword that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So here we have this retry attempt. So if the AI is not responding, you can increase or decrease the retry attempt. I'm going to keep it as 1. It's written specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to reply. Valid range is 1 to 10. For now, I'm going to toggle this off. We have this fallback message. So if the API is not responding, the AI agent will not be able to send the message. So in that case, it is going to send this fallback message. I have entered the fallback message as I am here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any question about a service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. Now over here, what you can do, you can provide the company details and contact information. So if the AI is not able to answer the questions or the queries of the customers, at least the details are sent to the customer. Now over here, while creating this API key, I have the paid version of this OpenAI. So it is important that you also have this paid version. Now after doing this much, we are going to move towards this next option, which is this knowledge source. In the knowledge source, I am going to select it as upload file. I am going to click on this cloud and I am going to upload the file which I have already downloaded by the name sports business. Now this is a knowledge base with the help of which I have trained my AI agent to answer in that particular manner. So if I open this document, over here, this is the knowledge base which I have created, which has all these details: company overview, main product categories. Then I have added the images. Then I have added badminton, gym, running, swimming, table tennis, other sports, inventory, structure, then the WhatsApp AI flow, and then the rest of the details. You can see that I have created a very detailed knowledge base, and you also have to create a very detailed knowledge base of all the product and services you are going to provide and all the details about your company, and add that. Based on that particular knowledge which you are going to create and upload that over here in this knowledge source, your AI is going to answer to your customers. So this is a very important point. After doing this, we have to move towards the next step. We have this assistant interface. We have this heading name. I'm going to keep the heading name as Pabbly, let's say, and you can see it has changed over here. And then we have this header display subheading name. So if you want, you can keep it. If you want to remove, you can do that. We have this initial message. You can add 2 initial message based on which the AI is going to reply. Hi there, how can I help you today? It is going to send this message whenever a person send me any message. We have this display by powered by Pabbly. If you keep it enabled, it will be reflected here. If you disable this, it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it enabled. We have this footer text, and then we have this footer link. In the footer text, I have added the privacy policy. In the link, I have added the link to privacy policy. In the user first message, I have added I need help, but it is not necessary that the user send this I need help message only. Based on any message which they send, my AI is going to get triggered and reply to that query. Moving on towards the next step, we have the styling. Now in the theme mode, I have selected it as light. You can select according to your choice and preference. I'm going to keep it as light. We have this assistant shape. So over here, I have kept it as circle. We have this square, rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle only. You can change the background color, text color, button color, chat bubble color. Then we have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. You can upload these picture or change arrange these pictures in a similar manner like we have uploaded the knowledge base. We are done creating this AI agent. Next, we have to toggle on this AI assistant. If we do not toggle this on, the messages won't be sent, and then we have to save this. Please make sure that you save this. If you do not save this, all this will be lost. You can also embed this AI agent to your website using this code, and whenever a customer click on that, they will be redirected towards this chat. Now there is a very important thing which we need to learn. On the left hand side, you can see all these options. I'm going to open the inbox in a new tab. I'm going to show you how you can enable this particular AI agent to a particular chat. So this was my chat. To enable the AI assistant to a particular chat only, you have to toggle on the button, select the AI assistant. We have created this AI assistant, and then we are going to save this. But assigning AI agents to particular chat is a very time consuming and illogical manner. So that's why we are going to activate or assign the AI agent to particular group or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, so I'm going to click on the settings and then go towards the inbox settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. So here we are landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I can see this AI auto replies. I'm going to enable this, and over here I'm going to select a particular list and assign that AI agent to a particular list or to all the contacts. For that, I simply have to click on this. You can see all the list which I've created. Let's suppose I want to select this sales, and I'm going to assign a particular AI assistant to that particular list. Let's suppose I want to add more rule, and I'm going to select all the contacts and assign a particular AI assistant to all the contacts, and then I simply need to save this. And in this manner, you have assigned different AI assistant to different list like this. Now we are going to test this for the last time. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message. So over here, I'm going to send a message like, do you provide bulk discounts? Let's check whether I receive any message here or not for the same query. And here it is, we have received this message. Yes, we do provide bulk discount for academies, schools and clubs with minimum order of 15 plus units. So my AI agent is working completely fine. Now this is how we have created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots, and I hope you like this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.